Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. It is Friday the 16th at 7:55. In 5 minutes I have an online meeting for this tournament to go over some rules and such. I've never had to do this before. If the camera picks it up, I'll record a little bit of it. That's why I put the tablet here, like I just said. But since I got 5 minutes to spare, in the last video I asked if you guys wanted to see my rods. I did have a comment for it. So let's get right to it. So the first rod that I'm going to show you is my one of my spinning rods. It's a medium rod with a fast tip. It is, let me just get this back in here. It's an Abu Garcia Specialist. Very light. I love this rod. I got that paired with an Abu Garcia Aura S reel. That's a 7 ball bearing. Got brand new Power Pro on here, the line. It's a 30-pound test. I usually go with moss green because it goes for every water application, dirty, clean, whatever have you. Sometimes I do switch to the brown, but the majority of the time I stick to moss green. The second rod that I'm going to bring is obviously a bait caster. You gotta have one of each. That rod is just meant for soft plastics and jigs, anything like that. The bait caster is more for lures. So I'm bringing the bait caster. People call this different things. I'm just gonna, here it goes. I'm gonna bring a 7'1" St. Croix Mojo bass rod. Love this rod. It is quite lengthy, but it works. I love this rod too. It's nice and light. Paired with it is it's a 10 ball bearing bait caster. It's an Abu Garcia Revo SX. Once again, moss green. It's a great rod. I love both of these. I do have more rods. Maybe in the future I'll talk about them. You know what? If I can get 15 likes, I'll go through all my rods. How about that? So this tournament is now less than 12 hours away, and it's 2 hours away from here. It's going to be an early morning and an early drive. Wish me luck. It's going to be a rough day, but I'm still doing it. It's for Chio. Once again, I'll post a link in the description below if you want to make a donation. It's for a great cause. So yeah, whenever this comes on, if it picks it up, I'll record some of it, show you. And also, if you're on your path to adventure, you know it, go check them out. Relic Outfitters, go get your live bait, go get your local tackle. If you're in the Longview area, go check them out. Also, the other thing was, last time I mentioned a new hat, stinger baits. Go to Relic Outfitters, go pick yourself up some.
Mothership out to a location to do some shooting, some video and picture promo stuff for Tightline Anchor, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah,
we had fun. There was a lot of goofing around, and the bite wasn't that great, but we had fun. Right?
Got on fish?
Yeah, we got.
Good morning, guys. It's 3 o'clock. I'm pretty much ready. Just a little update with all my stuff. Good to go. Got that 2-hour drive. Let's do it. We finally made it. 2 hours. Finally arrived. It's Hefe.
Morning, guys.
It's Jordan.
Hello, ladies. Can't see gents.
Yeah. Look at this. Everyone's ready. Kayak. Everyone's all rigged up and set to go. Oh my.
New setups. Wow.
We are not going to do well. Good morning.
Our recreational kayaks don't look so hot.
I turned mine into a fishing. Mine's into a fishing now. You can see the rod holders. That's all you need. Yours will be set.
Oh man, these guys are gonna. These guys look like pros.
This guy's got the Hobie. Pelican. Here we go.
Morning.
Lake Marina. Good morning. Good luck.
Fuck, the water looks amazing.
Nice and calm.
Oh yeah. Oh, here he is, the man himself for Venom Lures. How's it going?
Like the shirt?
I love this shirt. Can you get me one?
Won't use you on the water.
And this is the man himself, Mr. Eron.
Let them know when you go out.
How's it going?
Morning.
Thank you for setting everything up, bud.
We'll bump it.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no problems. Glad to see some new faces, man.
Glad to
Here we go. Finally made it. We're on the water. It's gonna be an awesome day. Jordan's already gone, just back that way. Let's go get some fishing done. I'm actually not gonna do that other GoPro setup. I feel like it's gonna be in the way. So I'm just gonna do it like this whenever. Heard that there's a lot of largies in here. Mojo Bass, come on baby. I got 7 hours out here, so I probably should conserve some battery life. We are on our way. My very first tournament. I'm not expecting anything too crazy for placement. It's top 3 fish in length. So hopefully I just catch my 3 fish. Right here it clears up a little bit. It's probably like 1.5 feet. Fish on! There's the first one, guys. Let's hope this baby's 12 inches.
Nice catch, dude.
Oh yeah, here we go. I'm on board, guys.
He's over a 12er.
Oh my god.
It can't be too loud. We don't want no one coming to our 100.
Woo!
Yes, he's right there too. First cast is right here, boys, and he just pulled that out.
There we go, guys. Let's do this. Let's hopefully he's there's these pliers.
Nice, dude, right off the first cast.
Is this guy 12 inches? Oh, I got largemouth. I'm on board, baby. Plopper. It's something that makes noise. Let's get this phone. What? Make as much noise as you can.
What'd you get though?
A largemouth.
Randy.
Here we go on board, guys. Is it 12 inches?
Oh, yeah,
Is it?
14.
Okay, close your mouth, bud. Oh yeah, look at that. 14.5.
How much?
14.5.
Close.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
From my guess, I said 14. Nice catch, dude.
Thank you.
Go, buddy. Randy's on the board. This right here, Randy?
Yeah. Close your mouth, bud, please. Thank you.
Oh, fuck yeah, Randy. Good stuff, bud.
Whenever you're done
that's-
putting it in, you should see if there's anyone else who caught anything at the same time. Check that
That's no
leaderboard.
smallie, buddy. That's a good sized fucking first fish shit for the day.
Man, he literally just casted it into him. Boom.
There you go. Let her loose.
And Randy got back flat. Put him up.
Thanks, man.
Happy you got the first one.
Got the goose egg out of the way.
Yeah, now,
There we go. We did not receive your location for this image. So I did notice this rod's a little bit long. It's actually really kind of hard to capture in the net from a kayak. It's kind of interesting. Let's go! Here we go, fish 2, guys. Oh, yeah. I should be all right. Another largie. Woo! Let's go. Here we go. Finally got the hook out. Let's go, guys. See what we got. Photo, photo, photo. Hang on. Come on, close your mouth, bud. Close your mouth. There you go. Catch some air. You're good. Come on. Oh, I gotta mark this one at 15.
8:15?
15.
Is it 15 on a nose?
I know it's a little over 15, but it has to be 15. So it turns out White Lake is amazing for largemouth bass. It's probably only 8 o'clock and I'm at about 2. It's gonna be a great day of fishing, I think. There's a random little cottage on an island.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.